Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you how to on your MacBook or any of the Macs how to find your photos that were deleted. Alright, so let's say for example you deleted a photo and you need to find it from your cloud account. So let's say for example if you go into photos, here are your photos, and of course these are synced across the iCloud that you should have. So your iCloud as your photos. Now let's say you wanna you deleted a photo, anything at all. Let's say for example I deleted one of these. I'm just gonna go ahead and delete this. So I'm gonna hit delete, and it asks me, do you want delete from all your devices? All right, so it's asking me, do I want to delete across all my devices? Means I'm using the iCloud. So whatever was taken on my phone up here, I'm gonna hit delete. All right, so I've deleted it. All right, now I've closed it out. The fact that it's now deleted, if you go to the bin, if it was a local photo, it will appear in the bin. So recycle bin, it's not here. All right, it's a screenshot of my phone. It's not here. All right, so only what's deleted locally appears here, and that was from the cloud. So photos syncs up to the cloud. All right, so in order to find your deleted folder or bin in the cloud, or that's across your device that's deleted, will keep them for 30 days. If it's within 30 days, you can still recover it. Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna go over to the left side here. You're gonna scroll down. You're gonna look for something called utilities. That's right there. You're gonna expand by clicking the arrow. Then of course you're gonna see a bunch of options here. You're gonna see a lock folder called recycle bin. Go ahead and select it. It says use your touch ID or enter your password to view. All right, now this is the fun part. You're gonna hit view album. Now it's gonna ask you your touch ID. I'm gonna use touch ID. All right, there you go. So now these are the recently deleted, and these are still kept for 30 days in your bin. It shows you everything there. This is a part of the cloud. And of course, if I go ahead, you'll see an option here that says recover. So I'm gonna hit recover. It disappears before you leave this bin. Just keep it extra secure, make sure it's locked. So go ahead and click the lock icon. It's now locked again, meaning in terms of the cloud. All right, we're gonna close. And once we close, we're gonna go back to photos. All right, we're gonna make sure we're seeing all of our photos. So make sure you're on library just in case things shift up. So we're on library, there you go. So library's at the top there. So there you go. There's the deleted screenshot from my phone. All right, wonderful. So that's how to recover something that's defeated, one of your photos that's deleted from iCloud. I do hope that was useful. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.